Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another headband wig tutorial, okay? But this one is actually a little bit different because it has a bang. Not the bang. The bang. It has a little bang attached to it, and yeah, so I definitely really wanted to try this out. It was something a little bit out of my comfort zone, and you guys know I'm literally doing these videos now to kind of just push me out of my comfort zone, because honestly I would not be doing them. I would not be doing them if it wasn't, you know, for that. Like, I would literally just be sticking to like what I know. So I really like the way like this turned out. It's making me feel like I've been natural or whatever for about 5 years now, okay? Like, period. So I really love this headband wig with this detachable bang here. This is actually from UNiceHair. It's their Brazilian curly hair 14 inches headband wig. I did show you how the headband looks straight out of the package. I did do a little bit of manipulation to the headband wig. Obviously, if you want the hair bigger, you can make it really big. Or if you want more of like a very laid, like polished look, then you can definitely add products to it, and also water and all that to make it very, you know, looks very polished and tamed. But I just added mousse, no water or anything like that, and this is like the results that I got. But yeah, I really love these headband wigs, you guys. Again, I'm going to continue to keep saying it. It is super easy. It's literally like a 1, 2, 3 process, and you're good to go. You're right out the door. You don't have to worry about being late. And with this headband wig that has the detachable bang, you can literally do nothing to your real hair underneath. I mean, obviously you're going to take care of it, but what I'm stating is you do not have to leave your edges out. You do not have to do your edges or anything like that. So definitely, you guys, if you are interested in this headband wig, all the links will be listed down below. I actually have a few discount codes for you guys, so you can receive some money off of your purchase. So you can use the code iDESIGN05 and you will get $5 off any purchase of $59 or more. iDESIGN8 will get you $10 off any purchase of $99 or more, and iDESIGN15 will get you $15 off any purchase of $199 or more. Make sure you're using those codes so you can save some money off of your purchase. So yes, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Before we do so, if you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like my vibe, my personality, or whatever, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, and it will notify you each and every time I upload a video. Make sure you follow me at iDESIGN8 on Instagram so you can catch some of my fashion posts as well as life updates over there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright, you guys, so like I stated, we are doing another headband wig. This is from UNiceHair, and this headband wig is a little bit different. It actually have a bang to it, so I'm so excited to see like how I'm gonna, you know, freak this wig, because I ain't gonna lie, your girl a little nervous. Now this is like honestly like straight out the pack. I'm not doing any manipulation. So here is the hair. It's like this little kinky curly, I would say, like type of hair, you know. And here is the bang here. Now one of the things that I really do like about this headband wig is that the bang is like, it can come off. There's a velcro right here with the bang, so if you do not like the bang, or one day you just want to rock it without the bang, you can definitely detach the bang if you would like. But it has a comb right here, it has another comb here on the side, and then also it has a comb here at the bottom, and then it always comes with the adjustable straps here at the bottom as well. And right here is the velcro headband, which, as I always state, you can definitely adjust it to your head size. And then as always, it comes with some headbands. So here is this bedazzled headband right here, which is super cute. You know, I love these type of headbands. So here's this like pink polka dot one, this little tropical one right here, another tropical one right here. So this little floral pink one, this little print one, coming with some goodies. And so we have the UNice head wrap for your edges, a wig cap, some eyelashes, and then some nail wraps. Is just throw this on. Pull it down. And then I'm taking the straps here. And then I'm just going to fasten them. So it looks like this. And then we have this hair. So again, this is just how it looks like this, straight out the pack. It's actually really pretty. I'm gonna take this Quenching Coconut Curls by OGX, and I don't know if you can see it right here, but I'm just going to put that all throughout the hair, and it's definitely going to define these curls just a little bit more. Now, because I'm not putting like water on it, because I really don't want that, like, it's gonna give me a wet look, but I really don't want it to be like drenched or whatever. It's gonna probably, I have to use like a lot of product because of that. So don't worry, we're gonna get it together, sis. Now, if you like that, you know, look that I had earlier, you definitely don't have to do anything to this.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wrong.
Okay, you guys, so here is the hair. I think it's like really cute. Like the bangs are really long right now because I put some of this like foaming lotion on it, so like they're stretched. I'm trying to, like, you know, what do you call it, like scrunch them up just a little bit so they can dry, you know. But also I can just pull the headband wig back, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'm trying to like let it just dry, you know. So just keep in mind, like, you know, when you do, I think this is super cute. Like, it's giving me like a little bit of, you know, vibes or whatever. We can obviously do a few styles with this headband wig.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but
Obviously you can do something different like with the headband wig. This is just like a half up, half down, you know, type of look. Bam. Really cute.
Just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. Take it away, feeling too good.
All right, so I gathered all the hair and I'm just bringing it up to the top. This is how it looks, and it's okay if there's some pieces that are out. And then I'm just taking a bow. We're gonna get it as tight as we can. I'm going to do a little bit more cutting. Style it, girl. We like look literally like the naturals.
all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah,
Alright, Design Squad, so that completes this headband wig tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit different for me, so leave me comments down below. Let me know your thoughts about this headband wig. Are you feeling the bang, or is it a no for you? Do you like this texture? Do you like this length? Do you like the way I styled it? Do you think I should have just left it in this natural state? Like all of that, leave it down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Again, if you are interested in this headband wig, check the description down below. And don't forget to use my discount code so you can save some money off of your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.